You're looking for someone, aren't you?
Oh, we're all looking for that special someone.
You can never be too careful in this business.
He's transporting something big into the country next month.
Brother, he's long gone. We don't even know what he looks like.
It was done by professionals, yeah? We were robbed. What was I supposed to do?
Are you willing to bet your life on that?
No, I'm not.
Then make the call.
Then what do you suggest we do?
On the pad before my eyes, paper cries, telling lies. The promises you gave from the
Without commitment, you cannot achieve depth. Without loyalty, trust becomes abolished. Without truth, death will surely find you.
This is Gunman.
Tommy Callahan.
Right now.